Hello students, welcome to Share of Size classes. Today I will be solving some RMO mathematics. So starting with geometry, this is a particular question we have in hand. Let M be the midpoint of the side AB of triangle ABC. Let P be a point on AB between A and M, and let MD be drawn parallel to PC, intersecting BC at D. If the ratio of the area of triangle BPD to that of a triangle ABC is denoted by R, then examine which of the following is true. And we have three options. The first option says that half is less than R, which is less than 1, depending upon the position of P. The second one says R equals to half, and the third one says depending on position P, we have R greater than 1 by 3 and less than 2 by 3. So now, while looking at the question, the answer might be obvious to you, but we will solve the question for now. So let's start. This is a triangle we have been talking about. This is A, this is B, this is C, and we have a midpoint M. So we have been asked to take a point between A and M, and we will call that P, and then we will construct this, and then we will construct a parallel to this. This is a parallel, and we have a point D here. So, and we have been asked to the ratio of triangle BPD to that of triangle ABC. This is the ratio of area. So area of triangle BPD by area of triangle ABC is equals to R, and we have to find the value or range of R. So okay, starting with the question, we will first join these lines. We will call this point as E, and let's start. So now we want area of triangle BPD. So area of triangle BPD, which is, this is your triangle BPD. So this area is equals to area of triangle BMD plus area of triangle PMD. Now these lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so we will take MD as the common base. MD, if MD is your common base, then this triangle and this triangle have equal area since they are on the same base. MD is the same base, and this is one triangle CDM, and this is the other triangle which is PMD. They have the same base and they exist between the same parallel lines. So the area of this triangle will be equal to the area of this triangle. So we can write this expression as area of triangle BMD plus area of triangle CMD. So now this total here, this is our triangle. These two will make this huge triangle, and this is equals to triangle of area. The area of the triangle will be CMB. So area of triangle BPD will be equals to area of triangle CMB. These are all triangles. So now, okay, coming to this question, we can see that this is our diagram. This is the point M, this is B, and this is A. This is joined. So now we have a triangle CMB. This is the triangle CMB. Now this triangle and triangle ACM, this triangle, both have equal area. Why? Because M is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. So this is equals to this. So MB, if MB is X, then AM is also X in length. And if I construct a line parallel to this, both the triangles have a height H. So area of triangle AMC will be AM base half into base into, this is the base, into height H, whereas area of triangle CMB will be half into MB into H. So now, since MB equals to AM, so triangle AMC will have an area. These are all areas. So triangle AMC will have an area equals to triangle CMB. Hence, the area of triangle CMB will be half of the area of triangle ABC, since both these triangles, triangle AMC and CMB, construct triangle ABC together. So what we have now is area of triangle BPD by area of triangle ABC equals to half. Just taking this below. So the answer will be, this is given as R, so the answer will be half. R equals to half is the answer. So option will be option number 2. Hence the answer is option number 2. Thank you.